Good evening, namaste. I would like to share with you my habanero pepper sauce. Actually, it's oil. I've shared with you sauce before, but this is the oil. You can see I still have some more left. So here you go. I make this oil once a year, and it'll last for a whole year. When you make your curry, anywhere you want to use hot oil, this is it. And it's really fragrant. If you like spicy hot, it's really good. So my recipe is, I use 1 whole cup of olive oil, and then I usually put it very low heat, like low heat, because you want to simmer and soak in all the habanero with the oil. And all I use is habanero, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric preserves the food, and it's good for you anyway, for your digestive system. And 2 cups of finely chopped habanero pepper. And you just put it like that, and then I use a cup just to soak in the habanero before I even heat, and then I use another cup of olive oil to just simmer it. So altogether, 2 cups of habanero pepper, 2 cups of olive oil, 1 whole tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 whole teaspoon of salt. And salt is like how you like it. If you like salty, then you can put a little more. So you simmer like this for about an hour on a very low heat. I have been simmering this batch here for an hour. So this is done. This is how it looks when it's done. You just turn it off and then let it cool down. Then I store it in a mason jar, and then I'll leave it out for a day, and then I will put it in the refrigerator for any, so if you're gonna make some curry, you just take it out. It's like a little paste, and take it out and use it. So you can do other pepper also like this. It doesn't have to be habanero. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like it, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good night.